In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy all indicators in Tradingview. If you've ever spent time dialing in the perfect set of indicators, tweaking inputs, colors, and how they stack across panes, you know it can be a pain to recreate that setup on every new chart. The fastest, most reliable way to copy your entire indicator stack is by using Tradingview's indicator template feature. It captures your indicators and their settings, so you can reapply them in seconds. Start on a chart that already has everything configured exactly how you like it. This is important because the template will mirror your current setup, including custom inputs and visual styles. Look toward the top toolbar and click the indicator template icon. It's the one that looks like 4 small squares. From the menu that appears, choose Save Indicator Template. You'll be prompted to give it a name. Pick something clear and memorable, like my setup, so you'll recognize it later at a glance. Then click Save. That's it, your full indicator configuration is now stored as a reusable template. To apply it to a fresh chart, open a new chart window or switch to a different symbol. Again, click the Indicator Template button near the top toolbar. This time, select the template you just saved from the list. Instantly, Tradingview will load the same indicators you saved, along with their exact settings, colors, and pane placements. It's a simple one-click way to replicate your setup across charts without rebuilding anything. A few helpful notes as you use templates. Templates apply indicators and their settings, but they don't change your symbol or time frame, those remain whatever you have open. If your setup includes multiple panes, such as oscillators below the price chart, that structure is preserved. This makes templates especially useful if you use consistent multi-pane layouts. Also, because templates reflect the chart as it was when saved, it's best to save them only after your indicators look and behave exactly how you want. If you are moving between markets or testing strategies on new tickers, applying your template to a new chart keeps your workflow clean and avoids mixing setups. It's the quickest way to maintain consistency, reduce mistakes, and speed up your analysis. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.